Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about count the odd and even value of the array. So before counting the odd and even element of the array, we will have to create an array. Let's create an array and array. I am giving here the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and a 7. So these are the element of the array. So let's pass the argument to the function. Before passing the argument to the function, we will have to create a method static and void type. I am just printing the masses. What is the count of odd and even, and just give the array here, and I want to count the odd and even a number means how many numbers are the odd and how many numbers are even. So we will have to first initialize the even count number a variable to 0 and odd count number to 0. So let's create a variable int and even count assigned to it 0 and int odd count assigned to 0. That's it. And now we will have to traverse the whole area and find out how many uh, element is odd and how many element is even. So for that I am using here the for each loop, for each for, and creating a num variable of array, and we are giving here the if condition. If the modulation is 0, then it should be even number, and if the modulation 0 is not, then it should be odd number. I hope you will getting means which modulation is 0, it is even number, and which modulation is uh, 0 not 0, that is odd number. It means that if remainder comes, then that will become the odd number. If it is not remainder, that will be even number. So let's provide if condition here. If 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 num is in the above function, above for initialized for method of percentile by 2 means modulation 2 equal 0, and it will return the sum remainder. The whatever remainder it should not remainder return here, then it will be event count plus plus means all the even even number will count in the even variable. If it is not even means else part it is odd count. Odd count means odd plus plus odd count. Somewhere else is mistakes, is spelling mistake is here. Yeah, something spelling mistake is here. Odd it will be capital. Right now it is fine, and that's it. This is the odd and even, and if you call this odd and even, it will return the odd and event odd and even number. What is odd even count? And we can here print the system dot out dot println the odd the I'm giving here the message event count of event count is whatever will be inside the event variable, how much it will increase, that total it will getting stored in the event count variable. That will print, that will be event number in the array, and that the some variable will count odd, that will be odd count of the array element. That is the your answer. So I'm here giving the odd count I hope you will be getting what I am talking about. Odd count. Okay, right? Yeah, right. Let's call the methods of odd count. Odd count, odd and event. I written event, but we have to write here even, right? So even, and pass the variable argument here. Yeah, your code has been done. I hope you will get understood. Let's print the program what it is printing, the odd and even count, even element or not of the array. Yeah, you will appearing here the even count is third and odd count is 4. Little bit we need here space so we can see it in a clear manner. So now you can see here again I'm running here. Yeah, even is total 3 and odd is total 4. This is the event and odd count of element of array. I hope you will get understood. I'll be meeting in the next video. Till then, goodbye.